To simplify this, so we first step, what we need to do is we just need to factorize 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 first. So to factorize this, first of all, we use 2 times 5 is 10. Then what we do, because it's positive and because it's 2 in front, so we just write 2x and just copy that out first. So add, and then 2x add. And because it's a 2 of the in front of x squared, so we just divide by 2 first. Now, what time what give me 2 and add to give me 11. So which means 1 and 10. So because they both are positive, so it doesn't matter where you put it. So I just put 10 and 1 here. The common factor for 2 and 10, I take the 2 out, so that give me 5. And these 2 cancel out. So which give me x plus 5 and then 2x plus 1. If you're not confident with factorizing non-monic trinomials, please go to my playlist and then watch those videos on factorizing trinomials. This will help you to build up your confidence. So now what we do, I just write this out first. So which is x plus 5 and then 2x plus 1. All over. Now 12 and 8 is 4. So I take the 4 out. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. But it's 3x minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this is what I get. Now with this term here, because it's divided by, so what I need to do, I need to flip it and become multiply first. So I flip it and I just write it out. So which is 3x squared plus x minus 2 all over 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 first. Now I can just factorize x squared minus 9x plus 18. So this one here, I put time first. Now because it's positive, so just copy this out. So which is x minus and then x minus. And then what time what? Give me 18 and add to give me 9. So 18 is 3 and 6 because their time together is 18 and add together it give me 9. But because it's positive, I just copy that out. So which is both minus already. So just put anywhere because both are minus. So 3 and 6 or 6 and 3 doesn't matter. All over. Now this one here, x squared minus 5x minus 6. So first of all, look at this side here is negative. So I quickly write one positive, one negative. So x plus, x minus. Then what time what give me 6? And then the difference, because it's minus, the difference is 5. So 6 and 1. So that give me 6 and the difference is 5. But because it's negative, this is negative here. So I put the negative side, the largest number on the negative side. So 6 is on the negative side and 1 is here. So that's all. So now I just write it out. But before I write, can I simplify? So I don't have to copy everything, but doesn't look like it. So what I do, I just write it out first. So which is x plus 5 and then 2x plus 1 all over 4 and then 3x minus 2. So now time by. Now to factorize 3x squared plus x minus 2. So first of all, 3 times 2 is 6. And I have a negative. And because of 3, so I just write 3x plus and then 3x minus. All over 3 because this 3 there. Now, what time what give me 6? And the difference, because it's minus, the difference is 1. Nothing in front of x is 1. So which is 3 and 2. The difference is 1. And time together give me 6. But because it's positive here, so therefore the larger number must be on the positive side. So 3 and 2, so 3 must be here, 2 is here. Now I take the 3 out, that cancel, that give me 1. So this cancelled out. So the answer is x plus 1 and then 3x minus 2. So I just write it down. So x plus 1 and then 3x minus 2 all over. Now what we need to do is to factorize 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then because of, I just write 2x plus and then 2x minus. And all over 2 because this 2 here. So we divide by 2 of course. And then what time what give me 6 and then the difference because minus the difference is 5. So 6 and 1. And because the negative, the larger number on the negative side. So 6 here, 1 here. The common factor for 6 and 2 is 2. I just put 2 in the front here. So that gives me 3. So these 2 cancel out. So the answer is 2x plus 1 and then x minus 3. That's the answer. So I just write down now. So which is 2x plus 1 and then x minus 3. So this term here, I just copied it out. So x minus 3 and then x minus 6 all over x plus 1 and x minus 6. So now I can just simplify it by crossing this out now. So I can see x minus 3 here, x minus 3, and then x minus 6, and with this is gone. Do I have anything else? Yes, I do have 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, and I can see x plus 1 here, x plus 1 here, as well as 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. So what's left is x plus 5 all over 4. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first of all, we need to factorize 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 first. So first of all, 3 times 5 is 15. And then this is minus, so which is write 1 plus 1 minus. So 3x plus and 3x minus. And all over 3. So what time what give me 15 and minus means the difference. The difference is 2. So which means 3 and 5. But because it's positive, so the larger number on the positive side, which is 5 here, 3 here. So you take the 3 out for this one, that give me 1. So 1 times x is x. Leave as it is, that give me 1. So this cross it out. So the answer is 3x plus 5 and then x minus 1. So that's the first part. So which is 3x plus 5 and then x minus 1 all over. Now because this is positive, so we just copy this out. So that means both the same positive. I just write this out first. And then what times what? Give me 6, this 6 here, and then add to give me 5. So obviously 2 and 3. So it doesn't matter where you put it because both are positive. So I just put 3 and 2 here. Then what I do in this term here, because it's divided by, I just flip it first. So that become time. So which is 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 all over 3x squared minus x minus 10. So now x squared minus 9 is just the same as x squared minus 9 is 3 squared. So this is difference of 2 squared. So which is x minus 3 and then x plus 3. Now to factorize the denominator here, which is 2x squared plus x minus 3. 2 times 3 is 6 because of negative. So we have 1 positive, 1 negative. So 2x plus, 2x minus, all over 2. So what times what give me 6? And the difference is 1. In front of x is 1. So which is 3 and 2. But because of positive, so the larger number on the positive side, which is 3 here and 2 here. So now these two, I take common factor out, which is 2. So leave it 1 and 1 here. So these two cancel out. So which is equal to 2x plus 3 and then x minus 1. So now I just write it down. So which is 2x plus 3 and then x minus 1. Now, before I rewrite this, so I simplify as I go, so makes it easier. That's all, and easier to see and make it simpler. That's all. So which is 3x, x plus 3. I can cancel with x plus 3. And then x minus 1 with x minus 1. Is there any more so far? So that's it. I just write it out first. So now 3x plus 5 all over x plus 2 for this. Now to factorize, 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. So which is 2x, because it's plus, I just copied that out. So 2x plus the side, so 2x plus all over 2. So what time what give me 12? Add to give me 7. So 3 and 4 add together also give me 7. And it doesn't matter where you put it because both are positive. So I just put 4 here and 3 here. So it's just the common factor is 2. So that 2 out, that give me 1 is 2. So these two is simplified. So left with x, okay, plus 2 and then 2x plus 3. So now I just write it out. So which is x plus 2 bracket and then 2x plus 3 all over. Now to factorize, I just write here 3x squared minus x minus 10. So first of all, 3 times 10 is 30. So it's a negative, so we just write 1 positive, 1 negative, of course. So negative means difference. So difference means 1 plus, 1 minus. So which is 3x plus and 3x minus. And over 3, of course. So what time what give me 30? And minus means the difference is 1. So 30 is 6 times 3. 6 times 5. So the difference is 1. But because of negative, the larger number must be on the negative side. It's 6 here and then 5 here. Now 3 and 6, the common factor is 3. I take it out. So leave it 1 here and 2 here. These 3 cancel out, of course. So the answer for this is 3x plus 5 and then x minus 2. So I write it out. So 3x plus 5 and then x minus 2. So now what's left is just 3x minus 3 all over 2x plus 3. And if you like, you can bracket. So you don't have to, but bracket. So if you want to make it easier for you to see, of course you can bracket. So now what I do, I just simplify by cancelling it out. So can I see anything there? So x plus 2 here, I can see that. Anything else? Yes, 3x plus 5 with this 3x plus 5. And there you go. I can see 2x plus 3 with this 2x plus 3. And that's all. So what is left is with x minus 3 all over x minus 2. Thank you so much for watching.